Now I've turned the breaker back on, wired it up, line and neutral to line and neutral, and the controller to the blue, black, and white. And now I will turn it on, and now I'll get the remote. Now with the remote on, attempt to turn the light on. Nothing. Nothing. Fan. Nothing. And nothing. And a big nothing. It definitely does not work. If you disconnect the controller and hook it up, the light works and the fan works, minus the controller. So it's not the actual fan, it's the controller. So if you could help me out with that, I'd very much appreciate it. Thank you and have a good day.